So I was lucky enough to get my hands on some products from Tara Lee Skincare. If you don't know who she is, then please check out the channel link below. Tara is a small business, self-taught cosmetic formulator and YouTube creator with exceptional formulation knowledge. Her channel has been going for quite a long time and she has some great content, so if you're already subscribed to our channel, I know you'll really love hers. Just be aware that she's US based rather, so always check the ingredients are permitted here or find alternatives when following one of her recipes. If you need a UK alternative, then feel free to contact us and we can suggest something. I've been formulating for a while and I came across Tara's channel whilst looking for some US ingredients. I was really impressed with how professional and well thought out her product formulations were, and her organisation, hygiene and attention to detail with everything she does. Her formulas look better than many of the brand names that I've tried over the years, and I really wanted to try them. As a small cosmetics brand dealing with cosmetic testing and regulations, I was cheekily able to get some products over to the UK as samples, and I wasn't disappointed. They arrived intact, slight leakage from the cleanser, but that's due to the courier, not Tara, as her package was immaculate. First I chose the Rosy Cleanser, simply because it's one of her popular products and I love that scent. When I wanted to try out some Retinal products, I contacted Tara and she advised the following. So I chose Lunar Retinal Night Cream, as it contains niacinamide, an ingredient I've not experienced or experimented with yet, and I'd heard it was good for rosacea, which my skin is starting to get prone to breakouts of, as I am somewhat 15 years older than Tara. Lastly, I chose the Full Moon Retinal Serum, for similar reasons and because it seemed a good pairing with the other two. So did it live up to the hype? Yes, completely. I've been using them for around a month now and I'm so happy with them. The cleanser is subtly scented and extremely lightweight. My skin feels soft and clean after use and there's absolutely no irritation. After the cleanser, as advised clearly on the bottle, I used the Retinal Serum before the Lunar Night Cream. I used the advised amounts and found that again it was lovely and light and very non-greasy. The Lunar Night Cream was very similar. Both had a pleasant scent. After a month of nightly use, I have noticed significant improvement in my skin. The rosacea has calmed down and my skin feels generally tighter and softer. So yes, definitely worth the hype. I'm really impressed and I can't wait to see what she comes up with next. If you're interested in purchasing Tara's products, she ships to US based addresses at the time of filming this and has a wonderful Etsy store, which I've linked below. Her YouTube channel is updated regularly and she has additional exclusive content on her dedicated Patreon, again linked below, for those who want a bit more content and more involved recipes and ingredient information. She's been on Patreon for quite a long time, so there is a lot of information that you wouldn't have seen on her YouTube channel, so well worth subscribing to that. You can also follow her on Instagram. Don't forget to also subscribe to our channel too. I may be more camera shy than Tara, but we'll still be posting a lot of recipes and I also help out with UK based regulations. I'm dying to try out one of Tara's formulas, so if there's one that you can see on her channel that you'd like me to specifically try for UK based formulators, then let me know which one in the comments and I'll do my best to make that very soon. Lastly, thanks to Tara for sending me my order so quickly and for the amazing quality. See you in the next video.